Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to bring you guys along with me as I declutter my entire closet. So I got rid of nearly 20 bags of clothes, shoes, and accessories. So I'm going to just bring you along for the ride and talk through why I'm getting rid of certain things. Now, if you're looking for tips and tricks on how to declutter, as far as questions to ask yourself, why you should be decluttering, and kind of how to motivate yourself to do a full-on wardrobe declutter, I did a full video sharing all of my tips and tricks, so I'll link that down below. But in today's video, I'm going to just kind of bring you guys along with me as I declutter my closet. This is the current floor situation in my closet. Clothes situation, which I've had my closet color coordinated for years. I highly recommend it if you haven't already. It takes some time to do it, but it's really easy to keep that way. Some jackets that I have not worn, and then some dresses, and then we got extensions, and then we got sweaters and scarves and things like that. So I haven't worn a ton of these in months, and then who knows what's in there. So we're gonna find out. And then up here we just have these 3 lonely boots. Okay, we have you balancing up here. Let's hope that my camera doesn't fall. So this half is my husband's. He probably needs to declutter, but we're not gonna go there today. Okay, where are my trash bags? If you are going to sell on Poshmark, don't put your items in trash bags because they'll get super wrinkled. You'll have to, it's just a whole nother ordeal to hang them up, take the photos, steam them. So if you're going to do Poshmark or resell, then keep it on the hanger. Go ahead and just take the photo and post it. So right here I have like my wedding robe. I'm definitely not getting rid of. I love this thing. I'm going to actually put it in our bathroom so that I can wear it and feel glamorous. I loved this tank top, but I haven't worn it in a long time. Like, this is just really old and raggedy, and then this is just not really my style, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna keep this black cami just because I don't have a ton of black in my wardrobe, but I really don't wear a ton of black. But when I do, I'll have it. I don't know. I love this top, but I find that I haven't used it because I don't love the material. It's not soft and cozy. And just at this point in my life, I reach for the soft, cozy things. So I know this is just gonna keep sitting in my closet because I don't like their material, even though it's super cute. So get rid of those items just because you're not gonna wear them. So I feel like these shirts are similar. They're kind of a similar style, so I don't need both. So again, going through your wardrobe, if you have similar items, just keep your favorite and get rid of the others. I feel like between the two, this one is thicker, although there is a slight pull on this. Nope, it was a sticker. So between the two, this one's thicker, so I'm probably gonna wear this one more because this one's thin. I'll have to wear a cami underneath, so I'm gonna keep that one and get rid of this one. Okay, this one I am torn. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is bad. Okay, I have hair, you can't even see, I have hair, my poor little hair wrapped around this button because I asked a coworker, like it tangled up my hair, and I asked a coworker to like get my hair out. You know what she did? She just ripped it. So I won't be asking her to do that again, but I'm probably not gonna wear it because, you know, I like my hair more than the shirt. So I've had this cardigan for 2 years. I'm going to see if my fabric shaver can clean it up a little bit. If not, I'm just going to make a mental note to buy a new one in the next Nordstrom sale. That's when I bought this 2 years ago, and I love them. But as it looks right now, it looks a little raggedy, and that's probably why I haven't reached for it. So we're going to give it a go with the fabric shaver. I'm going to put it to the side so I remember. Otherwise, if I don't do it, it's just gonna go back here and it's just gonna sit here another year. So if you're not gonna do it today, then get rid of it. While you're doing this, get a notepad out and write down these little notes. So you can say, I need to replace my basic tee, my gray cardigan, and write it down. That way you have like a shopping list that you're purchasing for mindfully. So I'm coming across a lot of gray basic shirts. So I have 4 rather similar gray basic shirts, so I don't need all 4 of these. I'm just going to keep the ones that I wear most often. So the reason I'm going to keep this one is because it's included in the Nordstrom sale every year, so I like to have that on hand for those. But this one, out of all of them, looked the most raggedy, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I have a gray basic button down. I really don't, I don't wear it. Okay, I'm going to hold on to this actually for my mom. She might wear this. But I don't typically wear a ton of collared shirts, and I have a ton. So I'm going to get rid of those, but I'm going to put it aside for my mother. I was obsessed with this sweatshirt. I love it, but I haven't worn it in 2 years, so it's gotta go. This is my only like bright item in my wardrobe, and I don't wear a ton of brights, but I do actually wear this every now and then, so I'm going to hold on to that for work. Again, I need to clean this up with my fabric shaver. This is the same halogen top. I just wear them all the time to work, so I'm not surprised that they look worn down. After the fabric shaver, if they still look raggedy, I will get rid of them and repurchase in the next Nordstrom sale. I have this same shirt in gray as well, and between the two I'm going to wear the gray more, so I'm just going to get rid of this one I think too. Actually, I'm going to keep it. I've had this shirt again for years. I haven't worn it in at least a year, if not 2. I'm going to see if my mom wants it though, so I'm going to put that aside. It's on the chopping block, so if I don't wear it next year, then it's got to go next time I declutter. Okay, so I have a lot of gingham tops. That one's a little sad to go, but one of them's got to go. Okay, I have 2 of the same tops. So which one are we going to keep? I want to keep both. Okay, I'm going to keep the darker blue because I have a lot of like the lighter blue color, although I do have this color too. So I am going to look in the mirror and see which one looks better color-wise on me. This one makes my eyes prettier, so I'm going to keep that one. And get rid of this one. I don't wear a ton of black, so that has just been sitting in my wardrobe for a long time. Wow, see how much more space I have? So now I can actually see the items that I'm interested in keeping instead of feeling overwhelmed, feeling like I have nothing to wear because the good stuff is hiding with this huge pile of clothes that I don't wear. So now you can actually see what you like and wear it. All right, jeans are gonna be another situation. Okay, so I have 2 pairs of white denim, and I don't need both. These I definitely don't need. They haven't been worn in a long time. I wore them when I first started working because I didn't have enough work pants, but now I have too many, so. Okay, these loft pants have just been washed and worn for a few years. They just aren't looking very good, so I haven't reached for them. Okay, another thing. I absolutely love these pink pants. I love the color, but when I wear them, they're not comfortable. Like I was saying, I'm gonna squat down. These are just not comfortable. It feels like it's a little short, and I think the fit is just not right. So unfortunately, I need to just buy a new pair of pink pants that I'm actually going to be comfortable wearing. Wow. And I bought all of these hangers recently because I was running out of hangers when really I should have just decluttered. So if you find yourself running out of hangers, instead of buying more, declutter your space because you'll have a ton of hangers. Okay, again, I don't love cargo pants, so we're going to get rid of those. These khaki pants have just been washed too many times, so they're not looking great, so I haven't reached for them. Okay, I'm actually going to keep these. So I was saying earlier, I have a pair of white jeans that I like, but these have distressing, so they're a little bit different, so I'm gonna keep both. I don't find myself wearing a ton of ripped denim, and these are a little bit big on me. They just kind of stretch out really bad, so I'm gonna get rid of those. I have 2 pairs of these shorts, so I know I need to get rid of one. I'm gonna get rid of the hot pink. I haven't worn this skirt in a really long time. I got engaged in this skirt, so I'm just gonna keep it. This was a dress I wore on my bachelorette, so again, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna go get a new trash bag. I already got rid of more than I was anticipating. The box that my boo proposed to me in. Just chilling in that. Obviously, I gotta keep this, right? A Braves jersey. I don't need that because if I go to a Braves game, which I haven't all year, I'll probably just wear like basic tees at this point. So now I have so much more space and room to actually put clothes up, because believe it or not, I have clothes just hanging out in my room that need to go to their home now. So that's the next step. These are my boot stand things, which need to go in probably those up there. So I got my fabric shaver. These are really cheap. Everyone needs one in their wardrobe because it revitalizes clothes. I'm gonna go through the clothes that I said I need to fix, because if I don't do it now, they're just gonna sit in here and I'm not gonna do it. All right, so much progress has been made. Actually, the fact that I can see the floor for the first time in months is amazing. That definitely makes me feel less stressed. So you can see I have a ton of extra hangers. So I recently just bought a ton of hangers. And if you are struggling for hangers, I would highly recommend to declutter first to see what you truly have. Because now I have way too many hangers, which is totally okay, but could have saved some money not buying extra hangers. And you can just see how much more space my clothes have to breathe. And I can just find what I want to wear now a lot easier. I have all this room to continue organizing. This makes me really happy because before it was just pants everywhere that I knew I didn't want to reach for. So what would happen is I wouldn't even look there to see the items that I did potentially want to wear or the items that I decided to keep. So now I'll be more willing to come in here and pick outfits and wear the items that I have. I'm sure I'll get a couple questions on this shoe organization. So I got these at Target, I believe. I'll link them down below. This still probably could use some reworking, but because it's not spring or summer, I'm gonna hold on to my sandals for now and see what I end up wearing next season. And this looks a lot better too. I just have some sweaters that I'll still wear and then scarves that I still want to wear. And I think this is also from Target, and these are also from Target. And I'll link what I can down below. And then here is the lovely pile sitting by the door for my friend to come pick up and take over to get posted on Poshmark. So I need to find another bag just to make carrying them out a little easier. Getting rid of pink hunter boots because I have another pair that I prefer the color, so I don't need 2 pairs. These boots, like I wore these like maybe once. Some items like this just doesn't fit me and I just never had time to return it, which I hate when that happens. It doesn't happen often, but just gonna go ahead and give that to somebody. And then some sequin stuff. So yeah, lots of clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags, and then I'm sure a whole nother bag with all of these items. If you're looking for more advice on how to declutter your closet, questions to ask yourself, and what to donate, what to keep, I answered all of those questions in this video right here. And if you haven't subscribed, that little button at the top will subscribe you to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.